you have to shut off certain responsibilities if you can. If you can't, please don't take shit out of anyone. Just do exactly what your heart says in the righteous path and just do it. Yesterday, one of my staff was telling one of the patient's mother that, come on, madam, we have taught your son so many times, and for a second I had the same feeling that, yeah, kamal hai. I'm teaching the mother, I'm teaching the son, I'm teaching the mother how to teach the son, and I'm teaching the son how to help your... It's too much. Huh? My job is to teach one patient, not the entire family. And I'm doing this. Patient, family, mother, father, aram taram. Simple pose not being able to do. Son is quite lazy, doesn't want to do, aram taram. Then the mother starts showing me the photographs because this is part of our game that you have to practice and send me the photograph because I'm going to analyze it. What do I see? And one of my staff is raising the voice that, madam, yesterday I have shown you the entire thing. You have shot this and you still can't do that for your son. And she's flipping the photograph. And I said, what is this? My daughter. I said, she's sleeping. Yes, ma'am, she's sleeping. Who is this? My another son. Sleeping. A dog sleeping. And then mother is on the bed sleeping like this. And this son is practicing in the night to show me off in the morning. So I told my staff, I said, shut up. Do you know this mother is exhausted? She can't perform now further. Then I took on to the son. I said, you have to decide. It is your spine, it is finished, not your mother's. This lady is looking after 3 kids, 10, 12, 13. Come on. She's a professional. By the time she reaches home, she is finished. And we are asking in the class, mother, why didn't you do that? I said, no. I'm so sorry. You did your job. Now the son, you have to do the job. So imagine, and this is everywhere in the world, imagine a female is doing 10 times more work than a man. She is running and she has a big business. She runs from one far off place to this place, does things for the son, takes them back, goes to the office, goes back in the evening, then makes the child to work and show me, and we are on her head. Nah? Why not? I said, no. I am fully with you. You have done your job. How many people we can see in this way? She never said to me that, ma'am, but I'm exhausted. Nah? How many females are even taught to say, I am exhausted. Stop it. No. And she was the same example. So I scolded myself. I said, shut up. Just shut up. Look at her hard work. We are only seeing the precision. No, you have not taught this. Arey bhai, kitna karegi? So most of the issues are because we are overburdened. We can't say no. And the life is going. So that's what you manifest. So this is what happens with the female health issues, especially in India and abroad also. I've stayed abroad 14 years. I know how the females work there. They also slog. But somewhere there, if the men are good, they share the responsibilities, very physical responsibility. I'm not talking about financial responsibility. In India, it's very less. So the entire load comes on, the females. You see in the class also, the ratio between the man and the woman is 80-20. 80 are the women.
80 are women. So ignoring their mental, emotional, physical health for all those years basically shows up in their physical body.
And in their career. So people are passionate about career, they start saving their careers, and then what do you have it? You land up with your own health issues.
Right.
You see.